So this is the electricity homework booklet question 10. We've got a steady current, 0.25 amps, passing through a torch bulb for 6 minutes, and we've got to calculate the charge. So we've got a charge time, should be making you think of I equals delta Q upon delta T. So delta Q is I delta T, 0.25 amps for the 6 minutes, which remember is 6 times 60 seconds, and that comes out as 90 coulombs. The torch bulb is now connected to a battery of negligible internal resistance. The battery supplies a steady current of 0.25 amps for 20 hours. And this time the energy transferred is the 9 times 10 to the 4 joules. We're asked to calculate the potential difference across the bulb. I've pulled out two different ways of going about this for picking up, I think 2 marks on the first, 2 marks on the first part and 3 on this. One way we can go is to say that the potential difference is using the potential difference equation. V is W upon Q. We've got W, 9 times 10 to the 4. We've got Q, 90 coulombs. Both of those, the joules, 9 times 10 to the 4 joules is there. The 90 coulombs, the previous answer. That then straightforwardly gives me the 5 volts. We could alternatively use electrical energy as IVT. V is energy over IT. Of course this is the same sum ultimately because IT is Q, I'm just working it out from scratch, is 9.0 times 10 to the 4 divided by 0.25 amps times the 20 minutes. 20 times 60 times 60 again leads me to 5 volts. Finally, we're asked to calculate the power of the bulb. Again, two approaches we can take here. We could either do that the power is IV, because we've got the current, we've got the PD from the previous question. There's the current, there's the PD from the previous question. 1.25 to two significant figures here, 1.3 watts. Or we could just take power is energy divided by the time, the 9 times 10 to the 4 divided by the 20 times 60 gets us to that same answer. Mark distribution here, 2 for the first, 1 for the sum and 1 for the answer, and 3 for the two parts here. It's 2 marks for the PD, again 1 for the sum, 1 for the answer, whichever version you'll go for, and then 1 simply for the answer for the power, again whichever route you took through. So that's the electricity homework booklet question 10.